Goal just about achieved. About as, I mean, it's not crude per se, but basically kind of funny. Cut off a roll around stool. It was in the attic. Would never use it. Welded some 1x1 steel bars on 4 points. They're tacked in. I got to finish them. Dug up a couple flywheels, a couple inner valve springs, because you know when you do heads you got a pile of that stuff anyhow. So your normal valve springs have been too rigid. And some, according to the label, they're racehorse tubs. About 100 thou thickness on the tub. And I chose not to do a center, but the rotation's there. And the only goal that I was after, honestly, was like clean up and or refinish of a Dominator main body. That is literally the only thing I was after here. All of that stuff in there is never dull. This is the problem. This 25 pounds of your walnut shell, and then there's another ingredient I'm not going to disclose because that's what you do. You keep some clues out in a sense that if you achieve something, then I'm never going to tell you the whole story. That's how the only reason I do that, I just pay it forward in the sense that when you ask people when they've got stuff figured out, they'll tell you 80% of the story and the rest you got to figure out. So that's why I practice that. I don't like doing that, but if that's how I'm, yeah, I give back what I get. So it's going to take quite some time to get this media seasoned. I have another one out here, or over here. Basically the same thing, but you can see the coloration is quite a bit although this one has so much better rotation. This one will deliver. The only difference is that it's just a slower process, but I think what I'm after at the end of the day will most likely deliver. Got a couple more electric motors up in the attic, and just, you know, remnants of just a bunch of junk. So got another tub over there. Those things were 20 bucks a piece. Really good investment in my opinion. So yeah, goal achieved with some minor tuning. How's that? Thanks.